What's up, AP Bio? Today we're going
to
to
be
be
talking
teaching you
about
about
photosynthesis.
photosynthesis.
Let's get right into it. First, photons of light will hit the plant, and this light hits the chloroplast organelles inside of the plant.
What's up, AP Bio? Today we're going to be teaching you about photosynthesis.
Let's get right into it. First, photons of light will hit the plant, and this light hits the chloroplast.
What's up, AP Bio? Today we're going to be teaching you about photosynthesis.
Let's get right into it. First, photons of light will hit the plant, and this light hits the chloroplast organelles inside of the plant. The photon passes through the dual membranes and stroma into the thylakoids, and when the photon of light hits the thylakoid membrane, chlorophyll molecules in photosystem 2 get excited. The excited chlorophyll molecules excite their neighbors, creating a chain of excitation that continues to P680, which releases an electron into the primary electron acceptor. From photosystem 2, the electron passes through the membrane along the electron transport chain.
Passing through the electron transport chain, some electrons are used to pump hydrogen ions through the membrane with the use of a channel protein. Hydrogen ions are also introduced to the thylakoid when H2O gives one of its electrons to P680 and breaks up into 2 hydrogen ions and 1 oxygen. This creates a proton gradient.
From here, the electron is used to excite chlorophyll molecules in photosystem 1 to P700, which releases an electron into its primary electron acceptor, like photosystem 2. Then, NADP+ is used to carry the hydrogen ions and becomes NADPH, using the electron ions from earlier. The ATP and NADPH created by the light reaction are used in the Calvin cycle, which also takes place within the chloroplast organelle.
The hydrogen ions from earlier are also used to transfer from ADP to ATP. This happens because the inside of the thylakoid has a higher concentration of hydrogen atoms than the outside, so the ions want to exit to the lower concentration. This moves it to exit through the ATP synthase enzyme, which uses energy generated by the ion to push the ADP and inorganic phosphate together, which creates ATP.
After 3 rounds of this, the Calvin cycle has created enough G3P to produce glucose, or C6H12O6+, thus completing the process of photosynthesis.
Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you learned something.